Welcome to the fifth video regarding panels in the SMath Studio software. To begin showing the use of the symbols, we're going to use a SMath Studio file. The symbol panels are presented in here. You should notice that programming is more complicated, and we're going to deal with this in a different video. So we skip from plots to symbols. The symbols panels are simply Greek characters that are used commonly in entering equations. Greek characters or Greek letters are used a lot in physics and other applications. And so if you can see here is the lowercase Greek letters and the uppercase Greek letters. I copied them in here and I put a little table of English letters that correspond to those Greek letters in lowercase and uppercase. For example, you can type those letters in text. If I do here a double quote and start typing, and something like herein we define the values of, and I want to put alpha, so I can go here and put alpha, spacebar, and beta, and a colon, for example. And if I want to define those values, I click here and select alpha, colon, say 2, and here beta, colon, say 4. And so then I enter this equation. I'm going to enter it for you here. And go like delta, colon, equal alpha, alpha plus beta, say multiplied by alpha. And so that calculates the value of delta that is presented here by typing delta equals. And so that's how simple that you can enter those values or those characters. However, there is a simpler way to enter characters if you remember this equivalence of English letters and Greek letters. Some of them are easy to remember, like alpha with A, beta with B, gamma with G, delta with D, epsilon with E, zeta with Z, eta with H, theta with Q, iota with I, kappa with K, lambda with L, mu with M, nu with N, psi with X, omicron with O, pi with P, rho with R, sigma with S, tau with T, epsilon with U, phi with F, Z with C, it's Psi, I believe is this one with Y, and omega with W. And so all what you have to do for writing Greek characters directly is to type the English letter followed by Control G. And so you can see here how all of this get typed. And here I have some examples. For example, it says assign alpha to 38.2. So you do A, Control G, colon 38.2. Phi, undersign A. So phi is F, Control G, undersign A, colon, square root of 123, space bar, divided by 3. Beta is 3.5b, Control G, colon 3.5. Mu, M, Control G, M, Control G, 1.2. Psi is Y, Control G, 0.5. Tau top, that would be T, Control G, T, Control G, undersign top equal to beta B control G plus 2 times M control mu times Y control G equal. Then we have the uppercase psi. I don't remember which one it is. Is this one is the X control G in uppercase. So you type X uppercase control G, put a sub underline and say area equal parenthesis beta B control G plus 2 times M control G times Y control G spacebar times G control G or Y control G. Then we go and call it uppercase omega. That's the W, big W control G, undersign param column. We have beta control G, B control G plus 2 times Y control G times S square root 1 plus mu M control G square equal. And then I'm going to give some space here. H control G undersign rad colon, and then I have uppercase X control G undersign area divided by W control G of uppercase omega. I made a mistake here. Going to click here, undersign param equals. And so as you can see there, that is not that difficult to enter Greek characters. And also you can put them in text as I indicated here for typing problems and so on. And those are examples of application of the symbol panel, the symbol panels actually. And with that we conclude the presentations about panels for SMath Studio.